Hey there, folks. So hillbilly, how y'all doing? Today, I'm gonna do an old Mississippi pot roast. There's a pot roast, and I got I got kind of this extra fancy brisket rub. I want to do that. It's nothing fancy because you know in a Mississippi pot roast, oh my God, I got too much there. Shit. It's gonna have a packet of ranch dressing in it. So I'm just gonna season the meat. Not real heavy. Just something to make a good crust on it. And nasty. Anyway, it's gonna have. I'm gonna modify it though. Most of, well, what I heard is you just put the pepperoncinis in there, but I'm gonna take and put some taters and onions. Oh, it's hot out today, actually. November 11th. Happy Veterans Day. I don't know. Thank you guys and gals too for your service. Appreciate it. Because of our veterans, we can stand here and have a cold beer and barbecue without fear of, let's call it anybody, the enemy coming in. You know, we're blessed. But all right, yeah, I'm gonna put some potatoes and carrots. I even got some green onions. We're gonna have a little old Mississippi pot roast, man. We're gonna sear this off first, so right on, baby. All right, let's lay this old pretty chuck roast right there. I'm getting my old pot heated up. Get a sear on that little sucker. Alrighty, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see what that old girl looks like. Ah, dang. I want you to look at that. Kind of dry. I should have oiled it with something or something. That's that AP seasoning I got though. That's all I want. Good sear on it. Ah. Oh, mercy goodness. Oh, they're delicious. 3 more minutes, maybe 4. I got busy and forgot. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes. Let's see what you look like. Oh, that's just fine. I want to let it get a little more char on it. All right, we've gave it another 5 minutes. That's good enough for me. Now I'm gonna move that. Ah! God, did you see that? About lost right there. I want to throw a little old chunk of hickory up in here. Get that to smoking. Get a little smoke on that roast, and the roast is going in the pot. Oh, look at that. Can you see how shiny and pretty that is? Let me grab the oil. A little. Rob, what's up? Got barbecue pit dog over on my knife case. Put a little oil in here. Yeah. And take it. I'm losing juices is what I'm doing. Look at that. Let that pan sear a minute. 3 minutes. Oh. Yeah. where my old grills are amping up to 450 degrees. Tell you what, I see that all down in there. Look at that caramelized color coming up. All right. Shut this dude down and get it cooled off. My old vents rusted through. This is the oldest smoker I got. This sucker's, God, I don't know how old. Probably 10 years old anyway. But it's had, that ain't all that old, but it's had a million fires to it. I promise you that. It's had a bunch. But anyway, I'll bring you back when it's veggie time. I can push through the meat now. God, it's going to be good. What y'all doing? Look here. Hang on. I want to try to aim correctly. Oh, God. Look at that. I hope I'm getting that in there. Yeah, see the old meat. Look at there. Starting to get tender. That's a chuck roast, by the way. All right, there's nothing to do yet. I'm just stirring. I'm gonna add the rest of the potatoes here in just a little bit. Now time for the green onions. We're getting there. Boy, you can smell the pepperoncinis. Look at all that beef in there. Goodness. It is done. Look at this beef right here. Watch this. As usual. There it is. In all its glory. Oh my God, hang on. Now we can see. Man, look at that. The pepperoncinis, the carrots, the potato. Man, you know, the green onion, that's all in there. Look how tender this all is. Cast iron on a smoker. See that green out there? That's some of those green onions and carrots and I don't know why I always eat on paper plates, guys, but it's a cheapskate, I guess. Well, hang on, I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to turn it back around because Hoagie just showed up to the scene. Hoagie, you want a bite? Here you go. There you go. Hoagie also got all the trimmings today. My good old girl, head of security. All right, y'all. Everything turned out pretty daggone good. Y'all keep on smiling. Bye-bye.